Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy like a surgeon. Surgeons approach anatomy with a deep understanding of function and clinical relevance. They don't just memorize names, they visualize how structures interact during procedures. This method helps you build a robust mental map, crucial for real-world application. Think about the purpose of each muscle, nerve, or vessel, and how it connects to the bigger picture. This foundational shift will transform your learning. To truly learn like a surgeon, hands-on experience is paramount. Spend time with cadavers, feeling the textures and relationships of tissues. Drawing what you see helps solidify your understanding, making connections that textbooks alone cannot. Also, integrate radiological images into your study. This allows you to translate your knowledge to the living patient, recognizing structures in various planes and contexts, which is vital for surgical planning. Elevate your study by understanding surgical approaches. Consider how an incision exposes structures and what vital elements are encountered or protected. Identify the nerves, vessels, and organs most vulnerable during a particular operation. Furthermore, articulate your anatomical knowledge. Explaining complex pathways and relationships aloud, perhaps to a study partner, reinforces your understanding and highlights any gaps in your comprehension, preparing you for real-time decision-making. Consistent review is key to mastering anatomy. Don't just learn it once, revisit concepts frequently, integrating new information with your existing knowledge base. Think of the body as an interconnected system where every part influences another. This holistic view is what surgeons cultivate. Remember to check the description for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. By continuously building and refining your mental map, you'll develop the deep, functional understanding necessary for surgical excellence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.